pumpkins, thanks to Hoover, I was sent the new Hoover floor mat as well as a $100 gift card and cleaning supplies to host a party to show off the new Hoover floor mat. I decided it would be fun for my son to invite his little friends over to decorate pumpkins for Halloween. We used glitter, glitter glue, and glue to create the pumpkins, and let me tell you, it was a mess. We let them just go wild, pour the glitter on everything, and it was so messy. Normally my vacuum I had before, when we would use it, it would make a horrible noise. It was awful, never really cleaned up anything. But thanks to the floor mat, I was able to vacuum up all the glitter, then we dumped it out, and I was able to, with the same machine, wash as well as dry the floors. And there was not a speck of glitter left, which is great because glitter goes everywhere. You find that stuff everywhere for days, but we did not find any, and the Hoover floor mat did a great job.